Introducing the BISSELL Featherweight Lightweight Stick Bagless Vacuum, an innovative cleaning solution designed to simplify household chores with its powerful suction and versatile functionality. With the ability to tackle dirt and debris on carpets, area rugs, and hard floors, this vacuum offers multipurpose versatility in a compact and lightweight design. Equipped with a crevice tool for reaching tight spaces and a floor nozzle for efficient stair cleaning, it ensures comprehensive cleaning throughout the home. This vacuum delivers convenience, reliability, and effectiveness for an enhanced cleaning experience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful, convenient, and easy to use. This vacuum impresses with its powerful suction, making it ideal for quick pickups and versatile cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling dirt and debris on carpets, area rugs, or hard floors, this vacuum gets the job done efficiently. Number 2. Multipurpose Versatility. This vacuum is 3 machines in one. It functions as a stick vacuum, handle vacuum, and stair vacuum, providing versatility to adapt to various cleaning needs around the home. Number 3. Comprehensive cleaning accessories. Equipped with a crevice tool for reaching into tight spaces like furniture and a floor nozzle for effectively cleaning stairs, this vacuum ensures thorough cleaning from floor to ceiling. Number 4. Suitable for multiple surfaces. From countertops to sealed hard floors and low-pile carpets, this vacuum handles various surface types with ease, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience throughout the home. Number 5. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 3.7 pounds and boasting compact dimensions, this vacuum is easy to maneuver and store, making it a convenient choice for users of all ages. Number 6. Efficient filtration system. Featuring a foam filter, this vacuum effectively captures dust and particles, contributing to cleaner indoor air quality and a healthier living environment. Number 7. Long reach for extended cleaning range. With a 15-foot hose and cable length, this vacuum provides ample reach for cleaning larger areas without the hassle of constantly unplugging and replugging. Number 8. Quiet operation. Operating at a noise level of 67 decibels, this vacuum ensures a peaceful cleaning experience without disrupting household members or pets. Number 9. Durable construction. Crafted with quality materials and backed by this brand, this vacuum is built to withstand regular use and deliver reliable performance over time. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 8.3 inches length by 9.5 inches width by 44.1 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The BISSELL Featherweight Lightweight Stick Bagless Vacuum stands out as a top-tier cleaning solution for households seeking convenience and efficiency. Its powerful suction, versatile functionality, and comprehensive cleaning accessories make it a valuable asset for maintaining cleanliness across various surfaces. With its compact and lightweight design, long reach, and quiet operation, it offers a seamless cleaning experience without compromising performance. Backed by this brand and crafted with durability in mind, this vacuum ensures reliability and effectiveness for years to come. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning tasks and embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of this vacuum. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.